Today we are going to start the new chapter, that is the integer, that is chapter number 6. So in previous classes we have learned, in previous chapter, uh, we have learned about the natural number and whole number. So what is the natural number? That is counting number. Natural number, that is the counting number. Natural number is the counting number, is known as natural number, as natural number. That is, we can say that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that English number, that is the goes to infinity, that is known as the natural number. Now, whole number, that is the whole number, when natural number including 0, the natural number, well, number including,
सर बहुत क्लियर नहीं दिख रहा।
इंक्लूडिंग, बोलिए नहीं, बोर्ड आएगा क्लियर, समवट प्रॉब्लम हुआ होगा, नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम, दैट्स व्हाई। ऑलराइट, तो आप लोग बोले नहीं बीच में, वो ब्लंड आ रहा है, उसको ठीक कर दिया जाएगा। वो नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम होता है बीच बीच में, तो साहब हम कुछ कर सकते हैं उसके बारे में। नेटवर्क वो ठीक होगा तो खुद अपने आप हो जाएगा, इसलिए उसको बोलने का जरूरत नहीं है, ठीक है। So the whole number, the natural number including 0, 0 जो हम इंक्लूड कर देते हैं तो वो जो हो जाता है is known as whole number, is known as whole number. Now you can see that is your board is clear. Anyone? Is your board clear?
सर क्लियर।
all light, ठीक है। एक कोई बता देंगे तो हो जाएगा, उससे काफी है। Now your board is clear now. So natural number, the counting number is known as the that is known as natural number. That is, I have not written here natural number. That is natural number. And the whole number, that is the natural number including 0, is known as the whole number. That is, if we start from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in this way, this is known as the whole number. Now integer, we have to know about the integer. So when we count the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, so that is known as a natural number. But something is the when we jump in a ocean में जब हम जाते हैं तो ओशन के नीचे जब हम जाते हैं तो what is the length, that is what is the length of that which dive in the ocean. So when we dive in the ocean, so we go inside the ocean. So at that time, what is the length that we have traveled inside the ocean? So at that time, we have to know about another number, that is the as ground, that is the sea level, will be the 0 at that point, and above the sea level, that is 1, 2, 3, that is the 1 meter, 2 meter, 3 meter. But when we go inside the ocean, at that time, which measurement will be used? So at that time, we will be use the number that is -1 meter, -2 meter, -3 meter, and in this way we will use the number that is -1 meter, -2 meter, -3 meter, -4 meter. When we dive in a ocean, and then the number which will be counted from the sea level, below the sea level, that will be the minus number. So that is the -1, -2, -3. So there is another number that is after natural number. That is another number is also present, that is -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. So this -1, -2, -3, -4 is negative number. and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is a positive number. So the negative number, 0 and positive number, these three number is known as integer. So there is a negative number. So the negative number including, that is the whole number including that is the negative number. So that is known as integer. So integer will be. Now integer, we have to write down about the integer. What is integer? Now integer is a number integers are the number. That is we have to know about the integers. So integers are the number which includes includes negative number, 0 and positive number. So on number line, we can show the integers on number line. As you know, the number line, how we to draw the number line. So let the line is drawn in this way, and uh, from middle portions we will include, that is the indicated with 0. So from right hand side of the 0 is 1, positive 1, 2, 3, 4, and the left side of the 0 we will indicate -1, -2, -3, -4 up to infinity. That is, we can write down up to infinity minus in minus and up to infinity x plus. So this represents the number line that is of an integer. So these are the integers, and we have represented it on the number line. So what is the integers? Integers are the number which includes negative number, 0, and the positive number. So in this way, we have learned about the integers. Now, on the basis of integers, we have to solve the problem of exercise 6.1. So here we will solve the problem of exercise 6.1 now. Now exercise 6.1. So how we will solve exercise 6.1? Exercise 6.1. Here, question number 1 is that we have to write the opposite of the flowing. Increase in weight. What will be the opposite of that? So, integer is the opposite. That is, we have written here the represented the integers on number line. So, what we have seen that the -1 and 1. So, 1 is positive number and its opposite direction. When we move in opposite direction of the 1, so we get -1. So -1 is opposite of 1. Similarly, we have to write down increase in weight. Question number 1. Increase in weight. Weight. So what will be the opposite of that? Decrease in weight. In weight. Now, second one, 30 kilometer north. That is A. That is A. In B, 30 kilometer north. 30 kilometer in north So it will be 30 kilometer in south as direction. You can see that is the upper portion is north, then we get north. This is north, then this opposite direction is south, it is east, then opposite direction is west. So when we move 30 kilometer in north, then its opposite will be 30 kilometer in south. Same way, 326 BC. So it is the date represents 326 BC. So now, do you know BC? Before the birth of the Christ. That is the English calendar is we are using today English calendar when we are speaking English. But the Indian calendar and the Vikram Samvat. इंडियन कैलेंडर जो होता है वो 60 संवत और विक्रम संवत होता है जिसमें हम लोग पूर्णिमा जानते हैं और अमावस्या जानते हैं वो 15-15 दिन का होता है दैट इज डिपेंड ऑन द lunar scale, that is a lunar scale, and that is a solar on the solar system. That is the in English. That is in that is English letters. That is we use the calendar that is known as the BC. So before the birth of the Christ, this is the calendar that is on solar system, and Indian calendar is depend upon the lunar system. तो लूनर सिस्टम में हम लोग जानते हैं क्या होता है वो 15-15 दिन के बाद मून जो होते हैं वो फुल मून डे जो आता है उसको पूर्णिमा कहा जाता है और फिर जब 100% जो डार्क हो जाता है उस दिन अमावस्या कहलाता है तो वो 60 संवत और हम लोग यूज करते हैं इन आवर कैलेंडर आवर इंडियन सिस्टम ऑफ कैलेंडर बट इन दैट इज English calendar, that is in Western calendar, we use the lunar system of the counting of the date. So it is 326 BC, BC before the birth of the Christ. Now then, after the birth of the Christ, that is known as AD. So BC will be 326 AD. It's half of it. Now, loss of rupees 700 in the loss of rupees 700. Loss of rupees 700. So we will write the gain of rupees 700. Gain of rupees 700. We'll write 700. Gain of rupees 700. And another one is that 100 meters above the sea level. अभी मैं जो बता रहा था 100 meters above the sea level. That is 100 meters above. So it will be that is the way we have solved the problem. But now I think there is no big problem. Because the problem is the over time that we have to write on the answer. Now
अभी से साउंड आ रहा है अभी से साउंड आ रहा है सर वॉइस सर चिड़चिड़ की आवाज आ रही है बहुत तेज से
जैसे में आप लिख रहे थे ना वैसे ही आवाज आ रहा है दीदी
सर सर घर 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 की साउंड आ रही है
आवाज आ रहा है
आपका आवाज नहीं आ रहा है सर
सर आप डिस्कनेक्ट होके ज्वाइन होइए सर आप डिस्कनेक्ट होके ज्वाइन होइए सर अभी भी आ रही है आवाज अभी भी आ रही है सर अब रुक गई
सर अब नहीं आ रही है
अब आवाज आ रही है
यस सर आवाज आ रही है
Yes, sir.
आवाज आ रही है ना
यस
यस सर
यस सर।
Yes,
यस
sir.
सर, आवाज आ रही है।
आवाज आ रही है?
Yes,
sir.
sir.
ऑल राइट, तो ठीक है, आवाज आ रही है तो सुनिए अभी, और उसको हम लोग अभी देखते हैं, कोशिश करते हैं किस तरह से इसका ठीक होगा। नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकेंड, that is the question number second. An aeroplane is flying at the height of 200 meter above the ground. So we have to represent in integer, the number in integer. So 200 meter above the ground. Now, question number 2, 1. It is 200 meter above the ground. 2000 meter above the ground. Sorry, 2000 meter above the ground. That will be 2000 meter. So answer will be 2000 meter, as I have written on the board, as you can see. A submarine moving at a depth 800 meter below the sea level. So 800 meter. So that will be negative number. So 800 minus 800. That will be minus 800 and it is below the sea level. So it's I will represent as minus 800. A deposit of rupees 200. So as it is deposit, when we deposit money, that our money increases. So it will be plus 200. So it will be plus 200. 200. And then again, fourth one, withdrawal of rupees 700. So as we are taking out the money from the bank, so it will be in negative. So it will be negative. So minus, that is rupees minus rupees minus 700. So in this way we have represented question number 2. So as you can see, that is question number 2 I have solved on the board. Now represent the following number on number line. We have to represent question number 3. We have to represent on number line plus 5, minus 10, minus plus 8, minus 1, and minus 6. So question number 5, I am solving on the board. So question number 5, we have to represent plus 5 on number line. So how to represent? This is the number line, and here it is 0. So here 1, positive 1, positive 2, positive 3, positive 4, and positive 5. So positive 5, and left hand side minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, and so on. Now we have to represent plus 5. So it will be right hand side of the 0. So it is plus 5. We have indicated it with the arrow. So as you can see, I have indicated the board that is plus 5. So it is a plus 5. Plus 5. Now minus 10. We have to represent number minus 8. So I can draw the number line in this way. We will write at the beginning, which is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So in this way we can write down the positive number. So and minus 10 we have to write minus 6. So it will be minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7. We can write down minus 8, minus 9, and it will be minus 8. Here it is minus 10. As you can see, it is the minus 10. So we have represented minus 10 here on number line. This is question number B, minus 10. Now, in this way, we have to represent all the number lines that is on the number line. So in this way, We have solved the problem. Question number 3. Now question number 4. A line is drawn vertically. Line is drawn in your book. Figure is given here. So I also have that one. Now question number 4. A vertical line is drawn from top to bottom in your book, and middle portion is 0 indicated 0. And now a number is not written, but distance are indicated on the graph, as you can see. So at the initial point it is 0, and it is O indicated 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. At the place 8, it is D. Here plus 8 is indicated, and it is D. And below that we have got that is the 1 and 2 at the place of 2, that is A, 3 and 4 at B, A here, 4 B, and there is a point C at 5. Now again minus number, minus here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So indicated in your book. Our number are given here. That is at 1, 2 at the 2 position, it is at 1 and 2 at, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 at minus 50 is D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 that is D. And then F minus F, 1, 2, F is here and T here. So we have to answer the different questions. That is question A. If point D is 8, then which point is minus 8? If it is minus plus 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then I will move from the 0. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. That is the minus 8. After will be the answer. The answer after this is minus. Now f is minus 8. Now again, if G is a negative number or a positive number, so as G is in the below the 0, so it is a negative. G is a negative number. Okay. Now G is a negative number. Now write the integer for the B and E. So we have to write down the integer for the B and E. For B, so 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is plus 4. And for E is at the bottom. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it is minus 10. So we have written minus 10. Now, which point marked on the number line has the least value? So least value, which one is the least value? The lowest value is minus 10. So least value will be minus 10. So E equal to minus 10 is the least value. Least. Now in this way we have solved the question number 4. तो इस तरह से हमने क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 में सॉल्व किया. थैंक यू. Your class is over.
Thank you, sir, for today's class.